Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Masterclass with Tapas. This is the place for new age management skills and lifestyle tips for the budding managers. As we are about to complete 6 months in this financial year and most of us working from home, and we are all looking forward to our half yearly appraisal to be done. So today I will be sharing my thoughts around that. As due to working from home concept, we managers find it a little bit tricky to evaluate performance without face-to-face interaction because this is all new for us, and we are moving away from the management culture where the manager is just stay away from the team to a scenario where manager isn't present physically, so you can understand the challenge. So I think it leads to many questions not being asked until it comes for a performance review. On the other hand, also managers have noted new opportunities to discuss to the performance broadly as this lockdown has impact on employees' personal and work life due to anxiety, frustration and burnout. According to the recent survey by Gartner told manager need to recognize the signs of distress among their people both directly through conversation or observation. Manager must have two-way dialogue with the employees. It should help the manager for the information and the perspective they need while allowing them to express their feeling. We always use objective to create clarity, and a direct link between individual performance and the company's goal can boost employees' confidence as they can understand the importance of their job even in this challenging environment. Clear objective and regular updates on possible change will ensure to maintain focus, energy and sense of pride. As this pandemic creating significant disruption and undercut employees' engagement, so we need to redouble their recognition effect. Effective recognition not only motivates but serve as a strong signal to the other employees that they can perform in these trying times. It is crucial that we should treat our team members as priority, as holding on people will always an important factor as per me. So let me share some of the tips that I can think of. First, start the communication with an open mind and encourage clear communication. Ask question with positive intent. The goal is to understand employees' perspective always. Assume positive intent on the team behalf until you are proven otherwise. The COVID 19 impact is not only limited to our professional life, so make sure you ask about their personal too, like how is the family coping up with how are all the family members are. Then see evaluation against the goal set earlier in the year should be considered impacted by COVID or not. Ask about any challenges individual face or facing. Give him or her a patience hearing, which is very very important. Be empathetic in a crisis. Everyone should try to work together and communicate with whatever issue to might have, and be patient and understanding if any improvement is needed through. Then those team members having issue with the performance actively listen to the root cause of the issue and then formulate a plan for their success as a team, because member performance issue can impact the overall morale of the team during this trying time. Always individual performance issues should be kept private as we are all human beings and we are doing our best in these uncertain times. And always remember that there is a difference between the standard of performance and conduct. Goal setting for the next month, 6 months, should be considered around the current environment in which we are working. Communication is the key in these trying times. Always keep the team informed about the latest development and ensure online training to keep them engaged and upskilling themselves. We need to find newer ways of training and interaction to keep the team motivated and encourages them to deliver their best. As we are all aren't used to working remotely for such a long time, and maybe some working in less than ideal condition. But we know that employees are working with the same zeal and vigor as they did prior to the lockdown. We all know that. As the last, there is a saying: trust other employees the way you want to be treated. So, friends, if you like my thoughts, give it a huge thumbs up to my channel, share it, subscribe it, and follow it. I need your support. Till my next vlog, bye bye, ciao.